Hi guys! Crafting with arthritis, crafting with chronic illness, looking for an extra income, looking to make pretty things. If any of that resonates with you, stay tuned. I'm going to share everything. Welcome to my channel, Freckled Mom DIY. I'm Devin. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, hey! So today I am jumping on to share with you guys about chalk couture. So if you have seen any of my lives, I have become chalk couture independent designer. If you haven't heard of chalk couture, what it is a series of transfers and surfaces and paste that you can easily transform into artwork. What attracted me at first was the ease of it. So you guys know I obviously am a DIYer. I have a DIY channel. I make Dollar Tree crafts, thrift flips, anything that includes painting and artwork and DIY. So we are renovating our house. I am making home decor. I love to make gifts for people. So I stumbled upon my friend, What's Jamie Makin's channel. She does chalk couture and she does some amazing decor. And I watched her a few times and I noticed how simple it was. And I thought, that's something I might want to do, but so let's back up a little bit. So if you guys don't know, I have chronic illness. I have a couple different disabilities and I craft through it all. So I always talk about how crafting is therapy to me. I love to craft. It is my quiet time. I love being creative, and sometimes though, I'm not feeling the best. Sometimes I'm having a flare up and I am not too happy, but I want to craft. I want to feel good. I want to do something fun and creative still, even when I'm not feeling good. So having this opportunity to craft easily was something that I never knew was even possible. So I looked into it, I fell in love with it, and I'm gonna share with you guys a couple different facts and a couple different ways if this is something you've been looking into to get started. Really, it is a stencil. That's what it is. It's a special transfer that is super easy and does not have bleed through. And there are so many different patterns and styles. So there's no going to the Cameo. There's no going to your Cricut. There is no going to Michael's and buying a million different stencils. These stencils are shipped right to your door, so you can go online, pick the stencil you want, the color you want, pick a surface you want, and have it mailed all directly to your door. And a good thing about this is that you don't even have to use their surfaces. You can use any surfaces you have. So of course, I do Dollar Tree crafts. I have a million Dollar Tree boards. You can use those as well. So it's very interchangeable, which is amazing. So you can use what you have in your craft supply. So I actually have a footstool that I'm gonna be transforming. I'm super excited, but we're not talking about that right now, guys. I wanted to tell you about the company and just explain why I'm so excited about it.
Designed so that you can make this project again and again. So make sure to hold on to that backer sheet. Next, I'm sticking my transfer onto my fuzzing cloth. This is a microfiber cloth that works to help gentle the adhesive on a sticky transfer. It works by picking up a little lint so that the transfer doesn't stick so hard against your surface. You may need to do this a few times. I'm bringing my transfer onto my surface and getting it centered on my board. Once it's in position, I'm smoothing it out so there are no wrinkles and it's well pressed down. Now we're ready to paste. I'm using our Chalkology paste in colors Eucalyptus, Bright White, and Papaya. Using the hooked side of my multi-tool, I've stirred them to the perfect consistency so that they are ready to use. Before I start pasting though, I'm going to use a little piece of placement tape to mask off the roof of the house. This blocks part of the screen and makes it easy to use different colors and not accidentally get paste where you don't want it. I'll load up my mini squeegee with Papaya and chalk the base of the house. I'm only using a little bit of paste and I'm scraping off any excess so I have a nice smooth application. Now I can remove that placement tape and go in with a different color. Using the straight end of my multi-tool, I'll chalk the roof of the house in bright white. Now with a small squeegee, I'll load up some eucalyptus paste and cover the rest of the screen. This is such a beautiful color palette and the eucalyptus gives us a perfect neutral for this project. Once I've covered my screen and scraped off any extra paste back into my jar, I'm ready to peel. I'm pulling from the middle of the transfer, not the corner, so that I don't stretch the silk screen. It's turned out so perfect. It's crisp, clean, and effortless to make.
There are many different ways to jump into Couture. Buying the stencils and the kit and just creating amazing, beautiful pieces. There's also income to be made. So either way you want to do it, there are so many opportunities. So definitely let me know if this is something that you want to do. I can give you more information. I do have a group on Instagram and a group on Facebook, so you can message me. I will add you to those groups. If you're looking on Facebook, it is a public group. It's all chalked up with Freckled Mom. It is so much fun, guys. And like I said, you can do this for any skill level. You don't have to be creative. You don't have to be good at arts and crafts. If you have a hand, you can do it. And when I say a hand, I mean a hand. So you guys know I have neuropathy, I have arthritis, I have myoclonus, I have a lot of disabilities, and I am able to do this easily. So like I said, you can go right to the website, pick out the transfer you want, or they have something called a Club Couture. So for $19.99, you can have a transfer and 3 sample pastes mailed to your house every single month. So you don't have to go to the website and go through all the different transfers. That one monthly fee, and you get a whole kit mailed directly to your house. What's great about it is that you get the kits that are not available on the website. So you get a special kit, a special transfer for being a Club Couture member. And again, that's only $19.99 a month. I think that's an amazing way to get started. It is something new every month to work on. These are great for people who do workshops, people who work with a bunch of crafters. You guys all get together, you craft together. You guys can all get different kits and work together, or you could use the same kit because these transfers are reusable, so you can use them over and over and over. And to me, that is amazing because there is no more weeding, no more bleed through, no more throwing away extra vinyl and wasting vinyl. To me, it is the ease that is my favorite part of it. I mean, obviously we are making adorable pieces of art, and that to me is something so awesome going into the holiday season because we can make our own gifts, we can make our own home decor, and it is so awesome. Also, going into the holiday season, having an extra income, that is something that is right up my alley. I am always looking for extra money with teenagers and kids. You know that money does not grow on trees, but they think it does. So having that extra income is definitely a plus to me. So if that's something you're looking forward to, we have that option too. So I have a team all chalked up, and that is my team where I am training everybody how to manage their own business, how to sell Couture, how to start your own business. This is a turnkey business. You don't have to keep supply on hand. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. You don't have to ship out anything. The company does it all for you. So all you have to do is talk about it and chalk. That's it. It is so simple, so easy. I always keep coming back to the fact that I have issues with my hands. This is something for me that it is so amazing. My hands get cramped up very easily. I get tired super easily, so I can only craft for a certain amount of time, and then I have to take a break. And when you get in that, that mood that you want to craft and you can't do it anymore, you physically can't do it anymore, it's upsetting, I know how it feels. I don't know if that's you. If that's you, and maybe you're hearing this and you're thinking, yeah, that's me, this is perfect for you because this is, like I said, so easy. So I would love for you guys to check out my links. I have a link tree, and you can go down there. You can check out just the products and see what they have. You can check out the kits. Like I said, the kits are awesome. They are ready to go. They are boxed with a surface, a transfer, and the paint you need to make it. It's all set and ready to go. Right now, for the month of November, there are Black Friday deals every single week. They have weekly wows, and this week is holiday products. 30% off select holiday transfers and surfaces, and 30% off vintage truck products. Plus, there is new stuff every week. So there are also 7 to 10 different transfers per pack for these mystery packs. These are so cool, and I can't wait to get my hands on them. There's also free shipping on qualifying orders for Club Couture, and also orders over $100 qualify for free shipping. So awesome. You can also look around at the different ways to join my team. So there are 2 ways to join the team if you want to make extra income. So you can do the $99 kit, which is $240 worth of transfers, paste, the squeegees, all the tools needed to start your own business. There's also a $19 kit. Now, personally, I did the $19 kit and I went through and picked all my own stencils, my own transfers, the paste, the tools. I did all that on my own, and I ended up spending more money than if I did the $99 kit. So I am, just because this is my personal preference, this is what I did, this is how I joined the team. If I had to do it again, I would do the $99 kit because it is so much easier and it gives you so much more product, especially when you're new to this, you might not know what to pick, and it's everything combined in one kit, and it's all mailed directly to your house. What there is also is I can make a link for you for a cart. Say you wanted to do the $19 kit. I can help you build up your own kit. Again, I personally would prefer the $99 kit because there's so much more savings when you do it that way, but it's either way. It's whatever works for you. This is your company, your business, your money. You decide what works best for you. But if you're just looking to make some pretty artwork for the holidays and gifts for your friends and family, check out the link to shop. I'm gonna have that down in my description, and you guys can just go to it, look around, and if you need help, message me, let me know. I've heard a couple of times now people are having some difficulties when they do go on to Chalk Couture because they're not really sure exactly what to do, and I'm letting you know, guys, I am here for you. So send me a message on Instagram or Facebook. You guys can find me as Freckled Mom. You can also send me an email. All those links are down in my description. So I'm just super excited, guys. I love that this season I am not gonna have to be worried about getting tired or, buying all new craft supplies for the holiday, because we have a transfer, some paste, and a surface, and you are good to go. So I'm super excited, and I hope you guys look into it. And if this is something that you've been looking forward to, I am definitely up to training you and letting you know all the details about Chalk Couture. Also, when you guys follow my Instagram, I do have my Freckled Mom Instagram, but I also have all chalked up Freckled Mom. It's all chalked up _ Freckled Mom. I'll put the link down below, and that I put all the sales and the deals and all the different things that are happening for the different promotions. There is so much going on. They're always having sales, always having deals. They're taking transfers out of retirement and different colors that they ran out of, they are coming back with. So it is super exciting. This is definitely the time to jump in now because there are so many promotions for November. So you definitely want to jump in because you will be getting the $240 kit for $99, but you'll also be getting the Club Couture transfer for free. So that's going to be about $280 worth of product, and it is such quality product, and it's not cheesy. It is high quality, and like I said, it's reusable, guys. Like, this just blows my mind because I'm sick of weeding. I don't want to weed anymore. I don't want to pull out my Cameo every single time I want to print a new stencil. So let me know if you have any questions. Send me a message, comment below, and if you want to join my team, I have spots open. I am so excited, and I would love for you to join my team, and let's get crafting. So if you want to talk about chalk, go ahead and send me a message, Freckled Mom. I will see you guys very soon, and I hope you're excited for the holidays and all the videos coming up. So make sure that if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. If you like crafting and DIYing and all that fun stuff, and don't forget to hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!